the curtains, pictures, and switch plates from the wall. I then washed the wall and applied the black square of primer. Now I am applying caulk. You apply it at an angle for thinner lines and at a more 90-degree for thicker lines. I am spreading the caulk into the grooves of the panel and then flattening it with a simple putty knife. A pro tip here would be to use a pole sander and a caulking gun, as it's so much easier. They make the job 100 times easier than it would be to do it with just the putty knife or just the sandpaper. After I have applied all of the caulk, I am going back over it and applying spackling. Now, this will remove any bumps that may appear, but it would be a shame to do all this work and then have it not turn out right. So I am making an extremely flat surface using my hands to check and double check because of the shrinkage that happens when the caulk dries. After sanding, take a wet washcloth and just wipe the walls down again. Another pro tip is you can use your caulking gun to cut the caulk open at an angle. As you see here, I have the gun, the caulk, and I put it in a circle that's formed there and pull the trigger, thus cutting open my tube at a 45-degree angle, which is perfect for this job. You need the larger angle because you're filling in grooves that are rather